before I tell you my invention, I would like to ask you a question.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Do you know how many people died due to landmine last year?
No, I didn't think of
The
it.
number was 7,562, and it's only gonna increase day by day. Well, why did I ask you this? Is because my idea will try to bring this number down to zero. So it all started हमेशा की तरह एक एक्शन गेम से.
Okay.
Well,
मैं गेम खेल रहा था और मैं उस गेम में काफी अच्छा था, बट रिसेंटली जब गेम ने एक लैंडमाइन का फीचर अपडेट किया तो मैं हारने लगा क्योंकि मेरे फ्रेंड्स हमेशा मेरे रूट के बीच में लैंडमाइंस प्लांट करके चले जाते थे.
Okay.
अब मैंने सोचा शायद गेम में उसका कोई ऐसा डिवाइस हो जो मुझे बता दे कि मैं उस लैंडमाइन पे ना जाऊं या दूसरा रूट ले लूं, बट गेम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. देन आई थॉट कि अगर वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में ही ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो शायद रियलिटी में भी नहीं होगा. मुझे ये समझ आया कि क्यों ना एक ऐसा शूज बनाऊं जिसके अंदर एक मेटल डिटेक्टर हो, वो दोनों इंटीग्रेटेड हो और साथ में काम करे. मैंने पूरी रिसर्च की, मैंने शू मैन्युफैक्चर कैसे होते हैं, मटेरियल्स कहाँ से मिलते हैं, मैं मेटल डिटेक्टर की थियोरी क्या है, वर्किंग क्या है, सब समझा और सीखा. सो आई वांट यू टू इमेजिन विथ मी ओवर हियर. सो इमेजिन अ शू. The shoe cover is made up of leather and rubber, which will give protection and comfort. The sole is made up of PVC and rubber, which will provide flexibility and strength. Now take the sole and cut it into the half, and you will see two coils. One coil is transmitting coil and one coil is receiving coil.
Got it.
The coils will be connected to a CPU or a circuit board. The circuit board will be having a knob. The knob is used for varying the sensitivity of the metal detector, and it will be all powered by a battery of 12 volt or 9 volt.
it's an interesting idea that you've come up with, but you have put it on the person who is going to find the mine. And how are we going to navigate that? Tell me.
It's better than the existing metal detectors, which are long, which are heavy. You have to carry with you. So it adds extra weight over you, and they are not at all portable. My shoes would be very useful in this place because आप घर के बाहर metal detector भूल के जा सकते हो, but shoes के बिना नहीं जा
Very
पाओगे.
true.
So my shoes will be also very portable क्योंकि उसे extra weight carry नहीं करना होगा और light weight होगा क्योंकि सब metal rods और वो सब का वजन उसे नहीं लेना है extra. He just need his shoes and circuit board.
Also, I want to ask you something. When you were thinking of this idea, did you think about different ways of applying this? Now, drones have come in, right?
Drone is a good
Not-
point because that's like quite effective as well. If there's a Minecraft drone which can just hover and find the landmines.
So yeah, your idea is right. There are minesweepers which are not human, but when you are on operations and urban missions, you have to carry only the things which you need.
And will these shoes have the same durability that, the typical soldiers would wear?
Yeah, sure. As I already told you, they will be made of PVC and rubber. So rubber will provide a good grip, PVC will provide a strength.
This is obviously a very serious issue. The process in which a landmine works is that the trigger gets activated when you step on it.
Yes.
Right? It won't explode at that point. When the weight comes off the trigger is when it explodes. Now, if it's installed in my shoe, right? If I were to be walking and I were to step on the landmine and I immediately get the alarm, would I have enough reaction time to stop in my tracks? Or would I be walking and by the time I hear the alarm, the foot would have already gone off the trigger?
We can add a type of a lever. Now the shoes lever will be connected from here. When I step on the landmine, I can retract those levers. Two people will step on it, which will add their weight. I will detach the lever. I will move back, put a weight, something like substitute weight like a rock or something, and all the people will move back and pull back the lever.
Right.
So what stage does it give you the warning?
It might create some problem while detecting landmines when you are running.
Okay.
But if you are walking slowly or you are just pace running, it can detect because electricity runs faster than our body
So even
movement.
if your foot, आपका पैर इसके ऊपर नहीं है मगर पास में है तो
Past-
detect
yes,
करेगा
in this much.
in that area.
I think it's absolutely wonderful, and usually I believe that video games today are perpetrators of violence, and you're standing here as an exception. I wouldn't want to use that as something to encourage people to play violent games, but I'm glad that we're seeing
Yeah,
such
that your thought
exceptions.
process went in that
Yes.
direction. It's really
Thank you, ma'am.
amazing.